Welcome to Farmonics, your one-stop solution for all your grocery needs. Let's us know about one of our products, that is garlic powder. Farmonics Garlic Powder. Elevate your dishes with rich, aromatic flavor. Enhance your culinary creations with Farmonics Garlic Powder, meticulously crafted from premium garlic bulbs to infuse your dishes with irresistible aroma and robust garlic flavor. Experience culinary excellence today. Let us know few benefits of Farmonics Garlic Powder, that it including convenience, a long shelf life, various health benefits, and versatility in culinary applications. Why choose Farmonics Garlic Powder? Because of its premium quality, freshness, trusted brand reputation, and assurance of being 100% natural. Here are few tips to preserve Farmonics Garlic Powder. To preserve it, store it in airtight containers in a cool, dark place away from moisture, and use dry utensils to maintain its freshness and flavor for longer periods. You can also try Farmonics' other products too, like premium quality dry fruits, unpolished pulses, unadulterated spices, seeds, and nuts. We are also available on Amazon, Flipkart, and JioMart. You can contact us through email and WhatsApp. You can also place order from our website www.farmonics.co.in. Link is also provided in the description.